Today's lesson is on sector area and arc length. So we're gonna begin by defining our objective for today's lesson. So today we're going to find the area of a sector of a circle, then at the same time find the arc length of a circle. So like I said, our objective is to find the area of sectors, then find the arc length of a circle. These are not anything new to you. Finding the area of a sector is finding the area of a circle times the fraction of the side of circle you are looking for. The same thing with arc length. It is finding the circumference of a circle times the fraction of part of the circle you are looking for. Then also we're going to begin by defining some of new terms today, which we call our vocabulary. In this vocabulary, we are defining what is a sector of a circle. From what I just said, it's a region bounded by two radii of a circle and their intercepted arc. Whereas a segment of a circle is a region bounded by an arc and its chord. We're going to see what this means. Of course, the arc length is just the distance along an arc, measured in linear units, just like circumference or perimeter. So the first thing, we're going to go to finding, or rather defining the formula for finding the sector of a circle. And that formula is simply, which it came from our definition, is the area of the circle itself, which is pi r squared times the fraction of the angle we are looking for. So where MO stands for the angle part of that circle over 360, which is the total circle. Next, we're going to define the arc length. Let me find it. Let's look at this first, which we call the area of a segment, because these are very common problems whenever you are looking for a shaded portion in a circle. The area of a segment is simply that area of the circle, this area. And we'll find it by finding the area of the sector itself minus the area of the triangle inside that sector. So this is purely the definition, and that's how it's being solved. So what about our arc length? Like I said, the arc length is simply the perimeter of that part of circle we are looking for. So if you look at the formula here, it says 2 pi r, which is perimeter of a circle, or rather circumference of a circle, times that fraction of the circle we are looking for, where MO stands for that angle. That angle could be 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, or whatever. So if it is 360, that means we are looking for the whole circle. So the distance we are looking for here is from A to B. Okay. That's what we define as arc length. Actually, it is the perimeter, or rather the circumference of the circle, times that part of the circle, the fraction of the part of the circle we are looking for. In a summary, before you begin your calculation today, I have some good examples here which you can use to do all the problems, or rather all the assignments I'm going to give you today. And they are summarized as follows. So, area of a sector, area of a segment, and arc length. So whatever we're going to do is going to be based on these three formulas for today. So next I'm going to give you your assignments, and I want you all to do it by yourself. If you need to ask any question, you can ask me, you can ask your partner. Any question?